something about that song that just make you want to get up and bust a mother move.
Hey everyone, it's Kiwi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make the best homemade fries. So let's get started. But if you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Kiwi. I create hair, makeup, crochet, cooking, baking, and vlog videos. If that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe. So you will need large potatoes, preferably russet, but if you can't get those, whatever you can get is okay as long as they're big enough to make fries. Now you want to make sure you wash your potatoes really good. Now you want to slice your potatoes, not too thick but not too thin, and keep slicing it until you can't anymore. After you're done slicing, now you're going to slice them into fry shapes. Now you can peel your potatoes if you want to, but I just didn't want to, so I didn't. But yeah, go ahead and cut your potatoes into fry shapes. After you're done cutting your potatoes, go ahead and put them in an ice cold bath and let them sit for 30 minutes. But if you don't have 30 minutes, it's okay. You can let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes because I did not have that much time while I was filming this video and the fries still came out perfectly fine. Now you want to get your pot or like a cast iron skillet, something that's just deep enough to fry things in, and go ahead and add your oil and put it on medium/low and just let it heat up. After your potatoes are done chilling, drain them and put them on a baking sheet lined with paper towels and dry them off well. Water and oil does not mix. Make sure you remember that. Now that your oil is hot but not too hot, if your oil is smoking, please let it cool down, then come back to it. But go ahead and add some fries in there and let them cook for about 6 minutes until they are like some sort of golden brown. After those fries have cooked for 6 minutes, go ahead and put those fries on a baking sheet lined with paper towel and do that to all the fries. They aren't ready yet, so don't try and eat them. We have another step. Alrighty, so after your first round of frying, go ahead and crank the heat up to high and let it heat up. It will heat up quickly. Go ahead and add your fries back in and let them cook until they turn golden brown. And you'll see how golden brown they need to get, but you did see in the very beginning of the video. But make sure you do watch them because they will turn fast. Okay, so now that they are golden brown, go ahead and take them out of the oil and put them on a baking sheet lined with paper towels and add some salt, then repeat those steps for the remainder of your fries. And now that they are finished, go ahead and serve them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And today's shout out goes to vontaloo.com. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys next time.